Manual coffee grinder, hand coffee grinder mill with ceramic burrs, 2 clear glass jars 5.5 ounces each, stainless steel handle, suitable for camping and home use. Finer coarse ground coffee setting. With adjustable grind control, the manual coffee grinder can help you to get finer coarse coffee powder so that you can enjoy espresso or French press easily, convenient to control. 2 5.5 ounces clear glass jars. The manual coffee grinder comes with 2 5.5 ounces clear glass jars, which can hold fresh ground coffee or beans during traveling or camping, convenient to carry, also act well as decorating containers. Effort saving. With lengthening handle, the manual coffee grinder can save you effort when grinding beans. Though it is still slow, it is faster than other manual grinders, comfortable to enjoy thefun process of grinding beans. Original coffee flavor maintained. Durable ceramic burr will not add heat during grinding and will not damage the original flavor of coffee. Better to grind beans before you brew coffee. Best choice for coffee lovers. Easy to clean. The coffee mill, removable handle and lid disassembles easily. All parts of the manual coffee grinder are washable. Easy to clean thoroughly to make coffee of better scent. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.